kwistjonijiet dwar is-saltna tad-dritt qed
issues about the rule of law being used to advance polarized and biased interests arising from national politics. Factually incorrect and skewed accusations are being made about Malta so that so-called inquiries could be launched. Repeatedly, investigations of this type sought to tarnish the image of the island. Proceedings of the monitoring group in the LIBE committee of this parliament conducting such an investigation were opaque and arbitrary. One of the key members is also a key member of the opposition party in Malta. How can we pretend to be advocates of the rule of law when we allow far-reaching value judgments to be reached by a self-elected and non-transparent group of members? Malta is well able to assess and reform its democratic functioning while fully respecting the rule of law. That covers all areas of crisis. Last Friday, the Maltese government has committed to making legislative changes reflecting the recommendations made recently by the Venice Commission on governance issues. Personally, I believe that there was no need to make such a quick commitment. The changes need to be discussed in Malta, amongst the Maltese, with the Maltese, and not with biased members of this House. However, surely the government's decision is a clear sign, all by the dubious standards of this House, that Malta is and will be fully respectful of the rule of law. I ask you, all members of Parliament, to face the facts with honesty.